Okay, welcome back everybody to Lake Como. This wasn't in the program. The program today was to stay in Casa something in Ardez in Switzerland, but that's not gonna happen because that would be a very short day. And I can gain almost half a day here, and I think I'm going to go to Lugano tomorrow morning to Motorrad to check my brakes. See what I can do with Motorrad in Lugano, and change my clutch lever, put a new clutch lever because I broke that one today when I dropped the bike, something that you probably will have seen by now. Yeah, there's Como. Well, there's not Como, there's Lake Como. Como is further down.
You know, forever ago, you were in my arms. We used to juggle at those who would know where to go. I know you so well, and I know how it feels when we fall. You're drifting away, and the wounds have turned into scars. It's tender, it's dark, and it's breaking my heart. I knew you so well. We all fall down. I know you so well, and I know how it feels when we fall. You drift.
That is beautiful. That is very, very beautiful. La Bahia Ristorante. Very, very beautiful.
Well, and I know how it feels when we fall. It's tender, it's dark, and it's breaking my heart. I know you so well, and I know how it feels. Know you so well, yeah.
Lights. Get your lights on. Hey, you got it. Welcome to Lake Como. It's beautiful, isn't it? Are you enjoying it? Look at it. That's amazing. Look at the view. Beautiful. Tunnel after tunnel after tunnel on this side. Yeah. So far. Oh, there's another one. then it opens up and this is what you have. It's a bit choppy today. It's very windy. I think it's gonna pull rain again. We might have another thunderstorm, which is not good. Prudenza. Wait until I'm safe and dry. Before you lash out. Look at this. Don't turn. Thank you. This is stunning though. Like, even with clouds, it's still stunning. Oh, yet another tunnel. What's new? We do expect to be there in a while. Look at that! The sun hitting the top of the mountain. Beautiful. Beautiful. Dark grey skies, clouds, not so beautiful. But yeah, the tower is nice. Beautiful. That's Bellagio, I think. Sorry that I didn't get to fly the drone. It's again very windy in here. It's quite choppy. The ferry. It goes to Bellagio, I think. .370Z, another 370Z. There for you, Mashi. A Volkswagen 14-ish. Grand Hotel Tremezzo. We are under an hour to arrive at our destination, thankfully. I heard you are into your Vespas now, guys, so there's a Vespa. There's lots of Vespas in here. Lots of Vespas in here. The guy's in shorts and sandals on his Vespa. I think the other side of the lake is better, at least until now. The other side is so much more picturesque, and like the road is overlooks the lake all the time, and you have lots of nice bends. Here it's towns and not a lot of bends and tunnels. That's what you get so far anyways. You might get a little bit better towards Como, but yeah, so far I prefer the other side. Getting tired. Getting close to 12 hours on the bike with not much rest at all. Stopped for a sandwich. That was it. And a couple of wheeze. Very different Lake Como, not so sunny today.
attention. It's written all over your face.
A lot less places to stop here as well. The road is better on this side. It's wider, but it has less bends.
Tell me, is this part of an act? Just to keep your image intact. If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna do.
What was that? Se acabamos de perder y ahora fue.
You knocked on my window and slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place. Not sure
Wow.
you don't think that
I wonder how you got up there and what the view is like. Yeah. See, that might be the one I'll buy. 23 degrees still. Getting warm. Hot stove. My hand is starting to go. 11 hours of this is a little bit too much. With almost no breaks. It's been a long day today. So it has probably the longest of all the days I've done today. It was supposed to be the shortest if I was in Ardez, but I've made it to about halfway through tomorrow's distance, maybe a little bit more. Tomorrow wasn't a small day. Towards Spain in Milano.